In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Capitec proof of payment. If you've made a transfer from your Capitec app and need confirmation or a receipt, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can get it quickly and easily. First, open your Capitec app and log in using your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Once you're on the home screen, go into the account from which you made the transfer. For example, if you sent money from your savings account, tap on that account to open it. Next, scroll through your recent transactions and locate the specific transfer you want proof for. Tap on that transaction to open the details page. If this was a direct bank transfer, you'll see an option called Send Payment Notification. Tap on this to access the proof of payment options. You can then choose to have the proof of payment sent either as an SMS to a phone number, or via email to the recipient, or to yourself. This is useful if you need official confirmation for record keeping, work purposes, or just to verify that the payment was successfully completed. It's important to note that this option will not appear for every type of transaction. For example, card payments, virtual card transactions, or ATM withdrawals will not generate a proof of payment through this method. It only works for payments sent directly from your bank account, such as transfers to beneficiaries. Once you select your preferred delivery method, confirm it, and the proof of payment will be sent immediately. This allows you to easily show that the payment went through without any issues. By following these steps, you can quickly access and share proof of payment from your Capitec app whenever you need it.